This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have essentials: phone charged, data and GPS enabled, and car paired if using Bluetooth. First, open Google Maps and enter the destination in the search bar. You can also use voice to save time. Once done, choose the driving mode and review the suggested routes. Google shows ETA and traffic. Make sure to pick the route you prefer, then tap Start to engage turn-by-turn navigation. This sets the map and voice prompts for the drive. Once underway, you control alerts and route choices. You can adjust voice guidance volume or mute prompts. Make sure to keep visual cues on. If traffic changes, swipe to view alternate routes and tap to switch. Also use avoid options for tolls or highways if needed. To add errands, select Add Stop and Google will re-optimize the route. If your car supports it, connect Android Auto or Apple Car Play to mirror maps on the car display for safer interaction. When you arrive, tap N to stop navigation and save the destination if you want. If the app loses your position or reroutes incorrectly, make sure your phone's GPS is set to high accuracy. Then pause, restart the app, or toggle location off and on. If problems persist, clear the app cache or update Google Maps. And if data is unreliable, download the offline map for the area. This prevents rerouting errors and keeps turn-by-turn guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.